If you scared that anyone detect your AI content, then you should watch this video because I will teach you how to create AI content that can easily bypass the all AI detectors. So let's dive into the video. In my previous video, I will show how to detect AI content by using a website called GPT-0. If you are not watched yet, then I recommend to watch that video first. I added that video in above cards. In this video, I will show the website called Conch AI that are used to easily rewrite the content and humanize it. At first, I take an example essay about cricket in ChatGPT. So I go to my browser and search ChatGPT. You see, this is my example essay. I copy it now. That's enough. After you copy it, search Quant AI and click the first link. You have to sign up to use. I already signed up. The link of this website is attached in the description. So check it out. We have now click Silk option. We have either paste your content or upload your content. I paste the essay that are copied from ChatGPT. After pasting it, click Detect AI button at the top corner. It will detect that if this content is made by AI or not. After that, click Humanize All button. After that, copy the content. Then search gpt0.me. If you watch my previous video, then you know this website is a AI detector that find out the content that are made by AI. You have to sign up to use, but I already signed in. This link is also attached in the description, so check it out. Now click the plus icon button and paste the content that are copied from the Quant AI. I paste it. After that, click scan button. You see the result. It has told that this content is made by human, but we know that we are made this content from AI. This bypass detection tool works in most of the AI detectors. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech related videos. Follow Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest for daily updates. See you in the next video. Goodbye.